Hello, welcome to my Python course. I created this course because I believe that you don't need 40-50 hour courses to learn Python. If you work 2 hours a day by watching an hour of lessons and practicing for another hour, it will take 2 months to finish them. And do you need half an hour to learn strings in Python? I don't think so. So I created this course. I tried to make everything as simple as possible. Instead of 40-50 hours, you can learn Python in a few hours with this course. What I don't like about the other resources, they teach you the basics again and again. If you are in industry for some time, you will understand what I mean. To make it short, I removed repetitions and some duplicate content, found the best example, and created a concentrated course. If you have any questions, just ask them in questions section and I will answer them as soon as possible. I recommend to do everything in lesson yourself without looking anywhere before moving to the next lesson. I divided the course to 3 sections: beginner, intermediate and advanced. Skip any part that you find easy. If you didn't like anything, just write it to the review section and I will fix it in the next courses. Now we will learn how to install Python in Windows. Basically, I use Chocolatey Package Manager to install anything, well, almost anything in Windows. Visit Chocolatey.org for more information. If you have Chocolatey installed, just type choco install python 3 and it will be installed. And if you are gonna use Python for scientific stuff, I recommend you install Conda. It comes with over 150 packages. To install any packages for Python, we use pip. Here we are using pip to install a popular neural network library called Keras. Now we can start with beginners lessons and you will be a Python expert in no time.